What's up, you guys? So an update. We didn't make any updates yesterday, me and John, because we just forgot. We were so busy. I'm so sore today. We were so busy, like getting just the old stuff off of the car. We had such trouble with that. It wasn't. Let me show you guys. We were smoked by the end of the day. We were both sore. We could barely move. It was just getting the old stuff off. I probably beat these ball joints with a hammer. Oh my gosh, until I couldn't lift my arm. It was unreal. And then on top of that, we couldn't get the bottom one out, so we got the top one off. We unbuckled it here and here. And then we just pulled it out. The knuckle, this is the new knuckle, but the old one was still connected to that. And we were sitting there just beating on it, tearing up the nut on this and everything, but that's all we could do to get it off. What else are we supposed to do? So yeah, those are shot. I need to get those out, put new ones in, but I'm not worrying about that right now. I'm just trying to get this kit on, that I could come back, do that later. Later on I need to get new hubs too, because these sound like poop. They're really crunchy. Can you hear that? Those things are junk. So I'm gonna get new hubs. Like I said, right now I'm just trying to get this done. We got the rear and the front cross member on. All the diff mounts are on. John probably spent an hour cutting that, and then he probably spent an hour trimming the frame. Right there, you see, up right behind that bolt. He had to trim that, and he probably spent an hour doing that easily. I mean, I was in there, and he knows that I got a bad shoulder. So, I'm sitting there doing that thing, it's vibrating my arm, and it hurts. So he takes over for me, because he knows that hurts my arm. I mean, it killed him too, but we really wanted to make a video yesterday. That was like our #1 goal. Hey, we're going to make a video about it. But we were just so smoked. I mean, it was not easy, you guys. So I'll make little updates today. I wish John was here, because he's funny too. We like to talk shit to each other. There's the cross member, the RC cross member. I still got to tighten the front and that side. I got everything else tightened. We left it yesterday with the diff up, everything bolted, nothing tightened. This is one the torsion bar bracket, the relocation bracket you have to put on. You have to drill it. Yeah, everything's pretty tough. I mean, so far the kit isn't the problem, right? So far the kit's not the problem. The kit has been very easy. So far it's just getting the old shit off. I mean, if it wasn't for that, if we came here and all the old shit was already taken off, we could have had this done in a day, easily done. That's what John said. If we would have started, last night or the night before, and then went into the, we would have been done. Oh, I gotta put gloves on. So, I will update you guys. I'll try to remember. Like I said, I just wish you guys could have seen it. We were just beating on that thing with the hammer. So much so that we were just smoked after. I mean, I wasn't even thinking straight. Seriously. So, this sledgehammer right here. I mean, this was not greasy like that before we started. This was clean wood. I just put that handle on. We beat the shit out of everything. There's the old front shocks, the old knuckles. Yeah. Trying to see if I can show you guys, but I can't. You can kind of see it's all beat on. So I will update you guys. I can't find my tripod. It actually might be in the Tahoe. If I do, I'll set you up, but we'll do some work. Let me get these bolts tightened on the subframe, and then we'll go from there.